If you ever struggle with working with 50 different softwares just to keep your agency together, in this video I'm going to show you an amazing all-in-one solution for it. It is a software called GoHighLevel, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the basic features of the software, explain you what it is good for, so then you can get started with it. My name is Vince, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what is GoHighLevel? It's basically an all-in-one platform designed for businesses to manage their operations and workflows. You can do pretty much everything you need to run an agency or a small business with it in one place. Everything from lead generation, customer relationship management, appointment setting and scheduling, project management, and all of those things, even building out your own websites and funnels and landing pages. GoHighLevel has got you covered. Now, before we'd actually go into some of the features and how you can use it to grow your agency, I want to mention a couple amazing things about it, which I'm not going to cover in too much detail because this video is more tailored towards complete beginners to the software. But an amazing feature and one of the main selling points of GoHighLevel is that you can actually create almost like your own white label SaaS business with it. So what you can do on their higher plans is basically customize the look of the software, and you can resell your subscription kind of to other small businesses that can be your agency clients, right? And make recurring income from it and make your offer as an agency a lot stickier, so your clients stay longer because they are going to be using the software and the systems with it to run their business, and you are basically kind of like a white label SaaS company, right?